Good morning. Good morning, my fans and followers all over the world and fellow farmers. The thing is, if you look, the clearing of my farm don't go very, very far. The clearing of this farm it has gone so far. Like they don't clear this farm go far. Like the clearing is so far, very far. So the thing is, why am I doing this video? Why am I doing this video? Somebody might want to ask, okay, why they really do this video? Why are they do this video? Be say make you first off for first thing is to see the level at which they don't clear this farm reach. You see? But no worry, I go soon buy drone. Now buy drone camera and I go to see everything. So you see, they don't clear this farm go far. Very, very far. You can see. Yeah, see and then now. See. You they see you. Make una they see you. Make una they see you. All. They don't clear my farm. Go far. I must stop playing. They don't clear my farm. Go very, very far. Now, why are they do this video? I do this video for, just like I said, two things. The first thing is for you to see that they don't clear my farm go far. And then, for the second thing which I want to mount this camera and tell us, and I'm on this camera, my handmade tripod on the get more coin. So, when I go manage the condition like that. The first thing, just like I told us, is to see that the clearing of this farm has already gone so far that, in short, it's at the verge of completion. You understand? It's there for the finishing level. This farm there at the finishing level. So, but the thing is, there are two things. Looking at this farm, you will be farmer. Me will be farmer. All of us will be farmers by privilege. Please, looking at this video from where you are in any part of the world, don't forget, tell me where you're watching my videos from. Some find my videos informative, educational, above all, what engaging. Please, you share this video to at least 20 groups. Now, looking at this farm, as big as this farm is, that side is one. Now, I want you to write something in the comment section for me. What type of crops do you think will go well for this farm? Around Kleso? Which type? Because already I don't put plantain for down. I have plantain. I don't put cocoa too for down. Cocoa plant. I don't put cocoa plant for there. I don't put plantain plants also. I don't put things now. So I also have banga for there. So tell me in the comment section, tell me in the comment section which other crops, so if you say for this place where they don't clear, so this other place, this upside, no be that water side, or this upside, which other plant go good crops, go good make up a plant for here. Please, if you like, if you know it, please write in the comment section. I know if you tell you now, just tell me with the kind of crops who I go like plant for here. So till I come your way again, this is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Josie Agri. Make sure you share this video to at least 20 people. Bye.